What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How's everybody doing today? I am doing pretty fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. I really appreciate it, guys. Well, we are about to be leaving where Peck's little food place is right here. Pretty good food. Just check it out. We came out here to ride, to grab a bite to eat, and look at the beautiful sceneries. And get a few twisty actions going in on the ride. You know, they're not fast, but whatever. It's still fun, you know. Whatever. It's cool. I enjoy it. But at times, you can get a little bit of speed going on if you want to. But it's a nice little ride. I don't think it's going to be very long, little moto vlog, because one, my camera's, if it ain't already dead, it'll be dead very soon. It's low battery life right now. I forgot to bring a second battery. You know, my stupidity, I knew I should have had one. But, oh well, shit happens, right guys? Next time. Gosh, off of that dirt on the road around here too. Some of these curves are pretty sharp. This is like 10 miles an hour. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. Man. Well, just enjoy the ride, guys. And if I have anything interesting to say, I'll peep up there.